Hey friends, if you wish to forget wireless network profiles on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. While you can do it through the system tray itself, a better method is different. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select Wi-Fi and then select the currently connected network, or you can scroll down and click on manage known networks. Okay. So when it shows manage known networks, you have the option to click on forget corresponding to them. Okay, this is what you can do. And let us say that why are we only viewing one network here? That is because I recently reset my computer, and when I do that, all of the other networks are forgotten. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.